Introducing the 2026 Skoda Scala SEL 1.0T SI 115 horsepower DSG 5-door in sleek grey. This hatchback beauty is not only stylish, but also packed with top-notch features to elevate your driving experience. Step inside and enjoy the comfort and convenience of air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, cruise control, electric windows, and more. Stay safe on the road with features like ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and parking assistance. Plus, the Towbar Preparation and Spoiler add a touch of style to the exterior. This 1-litre petrol engine vehicle is not only efficient, but also powerful, making it perfect for both city driving and long trips. With multiple airbags, smart card entry, and energy recuperation, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing you're in good hands. And that's not all. This Skoda Scala comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us now or visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, for more information on how you can get your hands on the 2026 Skoda Scala SEL 1.0T SI 115 horsepower DSG 5 door today. Drive away in style and sophistication with Skoda.